we're just gonna go a little further. Fortunately, this street just kind of makes it easy to push the car. All right, that should be far enough. So I didn't even look to be sure. It's a little bit after 6. Getting out fairly early. Stop and grab some fuel, some liquid refreshments. Heading on up to the 31st Eureka Springs VW show. Bit of a challenge getting set up this year, but found a spot. Seems not everyone has the same ideas about fairness and blocking off spots. That's wild. I hadn't seen that before, I don't think. I like that door handle's kind of cool. That's got to be bagged. My God, it's almost touching the ground. Never quite seen anything like that. It's different. Love those 5 spokes. Like to walk around before the main show music starts cranking. Tons of people. Morning. How are you doing today? Good.
Trying to get the bugs off my bug.
Yeah, I get it. Believe me. I think you gave us some free air conditioning a year or 2 back. You're in front of us in the parade. You're. You were. It was very thoughtful. Here's Ellis's kit car. Looks like maybe he recently did some wrapping there or something. I'll have to ask him. my goodness, that thing is low. So this must be a 68. At least the fender is. Let's see. Yep, 68 it says.
I guess I am seeing pretty good. Coolest thing about the kit cars to me is when you drive by the younger generation, they got no different idea what do you think of those switching prongs? Messerschmitt was here yesterday. No?
That's not even a Volkswagen. Why is that here? Oh, wow.
Oh.
Bigger window trophy, that's cool.
Hello, are you coming to see me? Oh, look at you, you're so cute. Hello. Hi, cutie. Hi, you want me to rub your back? Oh, of course you do. Of course you do. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Do you want to come get some love too? Are you a little less afraid now? You saw your friend getting some loving. Yeah, I'll keep getting you loving. You're so cute. Look at them, aren't they adorable? It's ridiculous.
They're your babies?
No, they're not mine.
Oh!
I take it back, it is a Volkswagen. Doesn't look much like one. And these guys again.
I bought pop somebody
That have been Chris Denny.
Okay.
Chris was in the bait shop next door to me. He's the one that got me. He was an employee of
Okay.
mine, and he got me into the mess.
Oh, yeah.
It became. I started making money. You know what I mean? Driving years, and I like collecting.
This one you like?
You can't afford to buy.
Show me back your shirt. Pull that shirt. Pull that down. There you go.
6 months later, he's like,
There you go. He's looking to get to 1,000 subscribers.
he's like, seriously? That's not what you think about.
Look, just call your mom and your friends. Just tell them to subscribe. Is it like an eggplant or is it brown? What is that? You see it in the light?
Oh, yeah, I guess it is like a...
Little purple.
That's clean enough for government work.
So I gotta ask, what's the gear shift do?
So, it still has a clutch.
Okay.
So, I use it for, I usually start out in second because that's plenty of acceleration.
Yeah.
And then it'd be a little clinky if I didn't have a clutch to go from second to third, third to fourth. But when you come to a stoplight, you don't have to push in the clutch. it's like an auto stick.
Yeah.
I had one of those Beetle auto stick
Oh, okay.
Beetle years ago. And but it's fun.
So it's still using the transaxle.
Yeah, it's got a freeway flyer.
Okay.
Transaxle, and then an adapter to hook it all up.
Yeah. Super cool.
But the guys did a terrific job, and then the deficiencies come in with when I've tried to, and you see the name.
Karmann Elektra. That's clever. I like that. Super cool. And so what do we have here?
That's the coolant for the batteries. Both
Oh.
the back batteries and the front batteries have a coolant reservoir.
Okay.
And as well as the controller. Controller is what gets hottest.
Yeah.
Air-cooled motor, electric motor. But the other is.
That's all kinds of fun.
And then a little radiator down underneath where the gas tank was.
Okay.
Real small one with the fan.
And I'll bet it gets up and moves.
It does. It's around 6 seconds for the 0 to 60.
Yeah.
Where y'all from?
Yeah, that's great,
But
man.
I've been real happy with it. Going back and forth to work.
Thank you.
Of course, here's 2 spots doing nothing. They're just nice and blocked in. That's always nice. Imagine we'll have an unveiling here at some point. Another one. I haven't seen one of these kinds of compass installed like that before. Buddy with this just beautiful Type 2 sealing wax red. And this bug, I'll have to run into him at some point.
Yeah. I was thinking about that. I was like, I need that windshield.
The bug, it's a cockroach.
That was awesome. Did he do the picture of you too?
Dude, got the supercharger.
Oh look, hey, this is yours, Dad.
It's kind of bananas. Got some textured paint here. Bug truck.
Nice rail, though. Thank you.
Looks like it's a little bit of fun.
We like it.
I'm sure you do. Heck yeah.
Kind of like driving a big go-kart,
Yeah.
except it's street legal.
And you can take it just about anywhere you want.
Just about anywhere. Although this one's never seen off-road. It's strictly street.
Okay.
Too many nicks and crannies to clean it back up after you go
Yeah.
off-road.
Yeah, when it's pretty, that's yeah.
Something. Yep.
Gotta make that decision at that point.
Absolutely.
'65 bus. Oh, that's definitely unique right there. That is super cool. Electric. That's super cool too. So it may not be a Volkswagen, but at least it is powered by a Volkswagen. Pretty unique. Oh, now that's a new one for me too. The air cleaner made from 2 Volkswagen hubcaps. That's kind of a trip, actually. I like that. That's pretty freaking clean right there. 72, 71.
Let's get it, yeah. Let's get it started. And that's, I think that's what really God is. Cars out there.
How are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. We suffered through the past 2 nights.
Nice right now.
Oh, I
That's all I'm
know.
gonna say.
Came up yesterday.
We came out Thursday.
Yeah.
And it was nice Thursday. I was really good up and I was actually
Yeah.
I was like, wow, that's
nice.
that's
Pretty
a
nice.
first.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It got a little warmer than normal.
Yes, it was 4:30. So how did you guys choose?
You brought all the stuff. Them phone dials. My buddy Jeremy just got a set of those polished up. And powder coated for that matter. So I made friends with Sean here, I think last year, could have been the year before that. My brain doesn't work that good. He was talking to me about working on this car. He was looking at my notchback and we got to talking quite a bit. Showed me a few pictures. So I've been eagerly anticipating the day where I'd get to see this guy. And this morning, I just kind of walked right past it while I was doing all the other cars because I knew I wanted to come take a special look at it. Just turned out fantastic. He did such good work. And I've already forgotten. He told me what this color is. I'll have to ask him. Put it in the video. Got these Vietnam bumpers. I think it was Vietnam. People talk about them on the Samba. They're actually pretty good, it seems. This interior is just so fantastic. Kind of a cute idea. Skate decks. Fracks.
Shut that completely off and they can't
Alright.
bother you at all. So it just
Look
stays
at
like
that.
that. Yeah, probably. He should be over there running the truck. Go ahead and run her. Let's see what happens. Good.
Oh, you're good. It won't bother what I'm doing at all. So as I understand it, this thing got towed here from not close, I forget. And it'd probably take a lot less than what they're asking, but yeah, that thing's a lot more rough than mine. That hood, I've already got a pretty decent hood. I got two hoods. My buddy got the other deck lid. It does have the S badge on the trunk there. Yeah, my buddy Steven got the, apparently he had another deck lid. Yeah, that needs some help right there.
You want to hear it?
Sure.
Yeah. I already passed you a business card?
No.
So we're out of California. We do rebuilt motors, transmissions. We do travel, obviously. We're out here.
Yeah, I
And,
guess so.
We ship a lot of stuff too if you ever need it.
Okay. $700. And all the space still left inside for you to collect the tools to put into it. Even got to see a little bit of rain today. I kind of want one of these VW hats. That one, but it's probably actually a little too big. Really, that's probably the better size. See if I talk myself into or out of it. The return of this guy. Here comes the rain again. I don't think we'll get much. Well, I don't know. Maybe we'll get more than I think. Oh yeah, this beauty. Oh, so fantastic. That shifter knob might be new from last year. Maybe. God, that's so good. I really like this. If you think this is slow, wait until we go uphill. That's great. Fantastic.
Who's this guy that's bent? There's a good little nick in the box trailer right about where this guy would be.
That is pretty fantastic as well. Look at that.
Come on.
She have a big old Herbie Husker sitting in the front seat.
I love it.
Is that a neon VW logo there in the back window? What is that?
I'll show you. So that emblem's off a Passat,
Okay.
and I bought an LED brake light.
Okay.
What's in there, and then I wires it into my brakes.
Yes.
So it's a third
Brake light, yeah.
'Cause
Heck
these-
yeah.
If you own a VW, an old one, they're so dim,
Yeah.
people follow so close.
Yep. Yeah, that's super cool, man. I like it. This thing is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Do you drive it quite a bit?
Yeah, locally.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, drive it out to dinner a couple of times a week. Get ready to get it.
And then it really started to rain. I think I'm actually going to roll up my windows.
Damn good looking bull track.
Yep. I'm not going on any more road trips with him. Spark.
That's a fact. So my buddy Sean's Squareback, his buddy from his same area, rolled in this. Sat down and had some lunch with these guys, a couple of cool guys. So now I'm taking a little closer look at this pretty fun looking bus, man. And he's not afraid to drive it. Brought it all the way down from Nebraska to Arkansas and a couple different parts around here. That's pretty cool, man. Here's another, was not here when I first came through. A stylized VW logo. I bet my buddy Alex would appreciate that. Kind of unique rear view placement. Ellis could be a friend, could just be somebody interested in his kit car. Everybody's always talking to Ellis. That's pretty cool. Sounds like a good woman to me.
Hey, I say cut it up and make it better. Other people say cut, don't make it stop. They were very nice cars. I didn't say about the car. Man, it's very crude. Hey, Marshall. I'll go hang down and getting high. Pretty great.
Right? Nobody steals that turbo one, it don't matter. I can't right now, I'm sorry. A whap whap? Thank you.
No. 60. What is it?
64 Type 3 notchback.
Yes. You had to get it back here by a GI free and all.
Yeah, they're all private import.
Nice.
Thank you. Over here. The Eureka Springs VW show never disappoints, and this year was not just not an exception. There were so many great cars, it was difficult to take it all in. We had over 300 cars, I think, entered. Never mind all the cars that show up that aren't even entered. When it comes to the bugs, there are at least 5 to 10 examples of unbelievably amazing restorations. The competition for the bugs is fierce. And somehow, regardless of how insanely expensive they are these days, the buses, all of the Type 2s, there's tons and tons of really, really exceptional examples of those. And even though there aren't that many Type 3s there's plenty that, the reason I bring my car isn't because I expect to ever win any kind of trophy or anything. It's because I know there will be some people that will enjoy seeing it. I know there's a lot of people who've never seen a notchback. I get verification of that every year. If you look at the parade, there's a whole bunch of people asking, what is that? What is that? And regardless of that fact, I've been surprised 2 years in a row now. So last year, I did something kind of silly. It wasn't that I didn't intend to go to the awards ceremony. I just got caught up talking to a bunch of people outside and missed it completely. And then as I was driving home, I noticed that I had missed some calls and text messages from Brenda of the Fort Worth Old Volkswagen Club. And amazingly, they had chosen my car to give an award. And so here's this award that they gave me, which is amazing. They actually mailed it to me because we weren't able to sync up out the show. And so I told them at the time, I said, this is especially meaningful to me because it's likely to be the only award that my car will ever see. But if my car ever sees another award, it's likely to be many years in the future. So this has got to tide me over. Again, I didn't enter the car to actually win an award. I think my logic at the time, if I remember correctly, I think it cost more to be judged. And so I did that basically because I wanted to support the show, you know, and just make sure that it continues to thrive year after year. And this year I just kind of did it again because why not? You know, it's just what I did last year. Definitely did not intend to win any kind of an award. But as I said, I was surprised 2 years in a row. And so the Foul Air Club of Missouri chose my car. And again, just crazy, surprising to me. But is this not the coolest thing, right? Obviously, it's a Zippo lighter made from an old gas can, and it really lights up. So, you know, I told my wife, like, I think I'll want to put it on the mantle of the fireplace in the family room. And she had a good laugh. And I thought, man, where am I going to put this thing? I mean, it's kind of big and bulky, but I figured it out. I've got this space back here that I'm trying to make just for my Volkswagen parts. I'm not there yet, as you can tell, but I think it's a perfect place for it. So I'm going to make a little room here real quick. Well, there you have it. That's its new home. I like it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the show. All the beautiful cars, all the excited people, watching all the great cars go by their streets and honking like crazy people and throwing candy at the kids. It's just such a great time. The video does not do justice to the experience. So if you ever get a chance, head on up to Eureka Springs, see the beautiful countryside, see all these gorgeous cars, make a trip out of it. It's a great time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.